Yes, it's almost as good here conversion in San Francisco.
Is your home down there now in the car?
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is our hotel.
Yeah, because the
Guys, we are at our room 317. Look, the elevator's right here, and then our room is right here, so not far to go at all. And I'm not noise sensitive, so none of that stuff bothers me. Let's go see. Okay, guys, we are in our room. Let's give us a room tour. First impressions, I'm underwhelmed, and it might be because this trip costs $1 million trillion, but here we go. As you can see, it's not a whole lot of space. This is the door coming in, and it has a system where you leave a key card in, but of course, from experience, I know that pretty much sometimes you can put any card in here, or a piece of paper, cardboard, or whatever, and it will keep the lights on. So this to our left is the little closet area. And here we have the safe. We have a few shelves, hair dryer, some hangers, and a fan in case you get hot. There's some plugs right here. A full mirror so you can see what's going on. And then right here we have some robes, and then that's my coat. But other than that, there's some robes. Okay. If we come over to the little bathroom, we see that the paint job is a little shoddy. And we have the sink area, some lotion and hand wash. Got some towels. These towels are kind of small. These are like these are like hand towels. And then the shower, this isn't a full door. So sometimes with my experience with this is it leaves the floor very wet. But it might be okay. The shower looks deep enough. And again, some Voya products. Little place for your personal soap. Floor mat. Your drying towels. But they do not have washcloths, and that's okay because I did bring my own. But as you can see how tight this is right here. Look at this, the door with the toilet. You know. So there that is. Come in here. It looks like we have this little bit of a closet situation. All right, there is our ironing board and our iron. And then this is our kitchenette area. So it looks like we have us a coffee maker. Okay, teapot. And then we can pull this tray out. And there's our cute little coffee cups. And our coffee things. And I will be playing with this because why not? And then right here is a fridge with some water. Don't know if those waters are complimentary or not. And then this is the station, the luggage rack where I'm sitting my luggage right now. And then we have a desk area with some drawers, a TV, some water glasses, more plugs and such. We have a cute little chair with the light. And then I have, this looks like it's a room for 3. Right? Single bed, double bed. I think we'll be sleeping in the double bed, I believe. Yes. And then here is our window. It's open right now. This is our view, guys. Can we open this some more? No, that's the furthest it opens. But this is our view. And there you have it. This is the room. Let me show y'all the breakfast. So this is the breakfast. So you got your beans and mushrooms and tomatoes, your hash browns, right? Your sausage, your black pudding and white pudding. Remember, one has blood, the other doesn't. But this is the interesting part. It's the bacon. Look at the bacon. This is the bacon. See?
Hi, baby. Hi, morning.
So it's like that sign says roasted bacon. So that's pretty cool. Like I've never seen bacon like that before. And then over here you have your breads and your muffins and croissants and fruits. And then your cheeses today is a brie, cheddar, and goubine cheese, pastrami, salami. And then your yogurts, natural yogurt, mango yogurt, overnight oats, and chia pudding. Now the thing about it is, let's grab one of these. The thing about it is none of this stuff is sweet. And then over here you have your juices. And this last juice is usually like a blend, some sort of mix. So today's mix is orange, apple, watermelon, passion fruit, and lemon. And then you have your cereals. And so those are the breakfasts for today.